Let's begin. Side stretch. Reach one arm up and lean gently to the side. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel the length. Next stretch. Gently tilt your head to the side. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Release tension. Shoulder opener. Open your arms wide. Lift the chest. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Release shoulders. Standing twist. Stand tall. Gently twist to one side. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel the spine rotate. Seated side stretch. Sit tall. Reach one arm up and lean to the side. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Butterfly pose. Sit tall. Bring soles together. Relax knees. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Easy pose with arm raise. Sit comfortably. Lift your arms up. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Knees to chest. Lie on your back. Hug knees in. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Relax. Spine twist. Lie on your back. Drop knees to one side. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Release the spine. Relax seated meditation. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Stay calm.